Another $100 million was invested into Bitcoin by a large publicly traded institution. So Asian video game publisher Nexon just bought $100 million in Bitcoin. We've already seen other major companies pour hundreds of millions, even billions of dollars into Bitcoin. We saw Tesla, we've seen MasterCard, we've seen Visa, all have either partnerships or invest a lot of money into Bitcoin and crypto in general. But this South Korean Japanese video game publisher said it made $100 million purchase of Bitcoin, adding itself to other companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and other companies that have used corporate cash, a significant part of their balance sheet, to load up on the top dog in the cryptocurrency space, which is Bitcoin. Nexon said they purchased 1,717 Bitcoins at an average price of $58,000. And now we're really starting to see publicly traded companies get into Bitcoin. Previously, they had stuck away from it. Now we're starting to see companies get into Bitcoin specifically, and now the more adventurous ones, the ones that are looking for maybe other use cases, more returns, they're looking into Ethereum as well. Bitcoin has really started to level off its price. Its price has not been fluctuating as much as other cryptos out there. It's been much more stable, hovering between that $50,000 to $60,000 per coin range. And while we did see it reach record highs of $65,000, it has not been nearly as volatile as all the other cryptos out there. So a lot of these companies, large institutions, they're starting to pour more money into Bitcoin for a couple of different reasons. First of all, now there are Coinbase, which had its IPO, so that they can invest in Coinbase, get exposure to Bitcoin. Also, there is Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and Bitcoin ETFs all around the world that have either been approved or are in talks of being approved. Canada has approved Bitcoin ETFs. The US has not, but they are in talks of currently doing that. In addition to this, we saw Facebook. Over been a lot of rumors about Facebook buying Bitcoin. They didn't buy Bitcoin, but we actually saw a bunch of crypto whales add over 90,000 Bitcoin to their portfolios in just the last 30 days. So Bitcoin whale addresses are people or companies that own over 10,000 Bitcoin, and these portfolios are continuing to add more. So the portfolios of Bitcoin, the accounts that have over $10,000 Bitcoin in them, these accounts added over 90,000 Bitcoin, $4.92 billion over the last 30 days. So that means the top dogs, the people who are the crypto whales for Bitcoin, are adding a lot. They are very bullish on it, and it doesn't look like they're slowing down anytime soon in terms of adding more and more Bitcoin. So while we didn't see Facebook add money just yet, there were rumors that they were going to add Bitcoin. I think we're going to see Facebook add Bitcoin or some sort of crypto to their balance sheet. If not within the next their next earnings report, within the next year, within the next 12 to 18 months, it would be shocking if they didn't add Bitcoin to their balance sheet, and even if they started to accept Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptos in general. So once we start to see more and more companies get into Bitcoin, I think we're going to see the price continue to skyrocket from where it is, and I think we could easily see Bitcoin's price reach that $100,000 per coin range, especially with the rate that institutions are adding Bitcoin to their wallet. 90,000 Bitcoin added to Bitcoin whale addresses over the last 30 days. That is a lot of money, about $5 billion. And I don't think it's slowing down anytime soon.